Warm greetings, we are Team KRYPTOS, Team ID 6047. We are working on the problem statement 1704 titled Gamification for Rural Planning using Drone, Land Survey Maps and GIS data. Our idea simply aims to create a 3D simulation game. This will help in the development of village by coordination of both Gram Panchayats and villages. Our idea contains all the 29 subjects listed in the description of problem statement. Expected solution, that is the core functionality of our game. That is first, village selection. Players gets to select the village at their location. Then the 3D visualization of the village will be shown to the player. Development activities such as road construction, drainage system installation and street light placement will be done by the player. Then our key features comes in, that is budget estimation, realistic planning, interactive tools, road construction, street lighting, building measurement and cloud service. Cloud service is one of the important feature in our game because in rural areas we have low-end devices. So cloud server will help to play the game in low-end devices very smoothly and easily. Innovation and uniqueness, we have a feature called multilingual where all the regional languages of Indian villages will be shown and the languages can be selected by the villages. And one more, we have tutorial board which will explain the game by voice assistance using the language which is selected by the villager. Then comes our flowchart part. We have two different flowcharts. One is for outline for game creation and use case flowchart, which you can pause the video and read it. And we next move on to technologies and software. We are using programming language C# and C++. For UI designing, we are trying to use Figma, Blender and Adobe XD. Game engines, we are using Unity because for 2D and basic 3D games for low-end devices, Unity is the best software. Cloud service, we are using Amazon Web Services, and GIS map software to view the GIS data from the datasets, we are using QGIS. Let me explain you the UI part. First comes the main block in which we can see all the type of new game, load game, save game and settings of the game. We have account section and update for further updates. Main part is languages and voice tutorials. In the language we'll have all the regional language in India, and voice tutorials, a voice bot will explain all the tutorials of the game or use case of game using the language selected by the villager. In the next UI we can see that villages at the location. When the player searches the village comes in a 2D view or 2D sky view. The villagers gets to know about the village coordinates or small description of the village will be given in this UI. In the development of the game, we might face some technical challenges and risks. Some of the main things are data quality and integration and software development. These are the main challenges we are going to face because every GIS data or every drone data is not accurate or not compatible with a particular software and vice versa. We also need to have access to all the data. Solutions to overcome these challenges, we can use to get various tools to get precise imagery like photogrammetry algorithm integrated with a drone mini computer like Raspberry Pi. We can use QGIS software in Unity engine which will integrate and manipulate the data. We can use different types of resource pack to give a proper compatibility on various devices using readily available tools and platforms to minimize the custom development. So this was the explanation of our PPT, which contains the idea, challenges and risk, working, softwares, dynamics and benefits of our game. Thank you.